Uninvolved child rearing, so that's low acceptance and involvement, little control. General indifference to issues of autonomy. Often these parents are emotionally detached and depressed and so overwhelmed by life stress that they have little time and energy for children. At its extreme, uninvolved parenting is a form of child maltreatment called neglect. Children of uninvolved parents tend to display poor emotional self-regulation and have difficulty with school achievement, depression, anger, and antisocial behavior. I think neglect is that very key word that we often have a hard time really addressing, because you think to yourself, you have two parents in the home and you got all the kids and they're all in a house, and you don't see those people, those kids being neglected. We always think about the single parent who has two or three kids. They live in a housing project or an apartment or housing a house, and we call that neglect. But you can be in a two-parent home, middle class, even upper class, rich, and as a child still feel abandoned and neglected. That there's more than one form of child maltreatment. You can be the type of person who yells at the child all the time. You can tell the person stay in their room all the time. There's more than one. You don't always have to hit a child. You don't even always have to yell at a child, but ignore a child, and that child will have struggles even later in life as an adult.